Good morning, it's the 18th of September 2013. Now I'm looking at taking a short on Aussie yen, and the reason being we've got a harmonic formation on this 1128 level here. This is the 1128. Now we have a 1, 2, 3 formation also, and once she breaks this low here, the support will be in short. Okay, it's stopped above the swing high, and the 1-to-1 is around just above the 61.8, so we should see it down to the 61.8. The 2-to-1 is past the 786, and the 3-to-1 is past the support level. So realistically, we'll be looking to take the majority of the position out at 61.8 or 1-to-1, and see where she goes from there. So once she breaks below this level, 9156, 9150, then we will be in short. Okay, so that one's pending. Good morning, it's the 18th of September 2013. Price has gone nowhere this week on most of the pairs. We're looking at a short on Aussie CAD. Reason being, we've got a harmonic formation, pin bar, and she's also at a fib 854. Now I only expect a correction out of this move because on the weekly chart she's broken out of a head and shoulders formation, and she's on the way up to the 161, 261 and 423, and there's no reason she shouldn't see the 423 because it's the previous level that we have harmonic, and she dropped like a rock. Okay, so with that in mind, the daily will more than likely just be a correction. So we're looking at taking a majority out at 61.8, which is the 1-to-1. If we go at 9580, then the 1-to-1 is 61.8, which is a nice target. The 2-to-1 is the C point of the harmonic, which is doable, and the 3-to-1 is just above the previous support. So we will chase this down, but I'll be looking for a bullish formation to close the rest of the position out once I take out a percentage at the 61.8, which is the 1-to-1. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the daily candle to close below this confluence of supports, and then we'll be in short. Okay, good morning. Looking for a short on, it's the 18th of September. Looking for a short on Aussie dollar. We've got a harmonic formation here. Some divergence on the RSI. We have a pin bar at this level, it's a 1127. Now once price breaks below this confluence of supports, 9250 will be the area we'll be going short. As long as she closes, and we're going to be going below the daily candle. Stop above, and the 1-to-1 is just around that 61.8. The 2-to-1 is just by the just above the C point of the harmonic, and the 3-to-1 is really out of question on this one, I would have thought. We have a bullish move on the weekly. She's broken out of a head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, so expecting quite a bullish move over the next few weeks on this. But this does look like a correction on this pair. So once price closes below these supports, then we'll be looking for our shorts. Okay, we've got looking at Cadchf. Looking along on this one. We've got an inverted head and shoulders formation here after a nice, beautiful harmonic that sent price up. Now the neckline is the red line here, and a break above that, a close above that on the daily candles will be in long. So we'll be in around the 9100 level, and 61.8 is up about 9300. 261 is about 9600, and the 423 is all the way up at 10200. Okay, so there's potentially a very big move on this one, but we do need the daily candle to break above the neckline and hold, and then we should see a move up. Okay, Swiss yen, we've got a 0.5. Price has gone nowhere all week. as with all the other pairs. Now we've got a bit of support in this area here, so once she breaks below this this level, we can look at a short around about 10,625. Now if we do get that level with a stop below the high, the swing, then our 1-to-1 target is perfectly doable because it is the 0.1 and 0.4 support. So really only looking at one target on this one. If she does break through, second target is 10,340, third target is 10,180. But realistically, just a 1-to-1 on this would be a nice result. Okay, Eurcad, we've got a potential short setting up on this. We've got a head and shoulders formation, and once she breaks this neckline, we'll be looking at a short. Now, as long as we put our swing above the shoulder, our 1-to-1 is the 161, which is more than doable. We've also got a bit of support on that at that level, so there'll be a high probability that she'll bounce off this. If she doesn't, if she falls through, the 261 is down by 12,900, which will make this a very nice trade. But realistically, the 1-to-1 will be taking some off the table at that point. Okay, so we're waiting for this daily candle to break below the neckline, and we should be in about 13,600 and looking at 13,300, 13,350 on our first target. Okay, here we have pound Swiss. Looking at a short on this, a correction. We've got a 0.5, so I'm expecting to see price drop out. Now the potential target on this is way down here, but this is quite a bullish move because on the weekly we have price, it's broken out of a inverse head and shoulders, and she's moving on up. She has reached 800, which is resistance, so there is a possibility she's going to correct from here. Now, if she does hit the target, that's a very big big target for that for this to hit. But what I'll do is once price breaks this support, we need the candle to close below. Then I can set the targets and the stop. At the moment, the stop should be about 14,850, but we need to see where this candle goes to be able to set the targets and the stop. But that's what I'm looking at on this one. So a potential short from this breakout and a drop down to either this rising support or the target zone. Okay. Okay, pound yen. Pound is very bullish at the minute, but we do have a 0.5 formation, and being a technical trader, I have to take note of. I'm interested once price breaks this rising support. We've got a pennant forming here. Then we're taking a short. Potential targets, support, and the wolf-eyed target down there. Okay, so I'm not interested in this until this price is closed below the riser. Also got support level here. So I need it to close below this level really before I'm interested. A nice close down here, and we should see a nice drop on this pair. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at, that's what I'm waiting for. Okay, we're coming to cable. Although pound is in a very bullish move at the minute, she's come up to a big price, 16,000, and we've also got a 0.5 forming on our daily chart. We had a harmonic form before, hit our target one and shot off to the point we're at now. So here is the point of interest. Here's our support line. Once price breaks below this, we'll be going for a short. And the target on this is down 15,400, 15,420. The stop will be below. Above the resistance to 16,000. And I will set the targets, etc. Once this candle, once the daily candle breaks below this support level. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at the minute. We have got an extreme reading on the RSI as well, so there's a high probability this is going to come down for a little while. Okay, we've got New Zealand dollar. Lovely run up from an E point for the last couple of weeks. We've now got a 0.5. So I expect to drop from here. The target on this is pretty big actually, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see her back down to 800 or even back down to support, and then even past it. But we'll see. Once this pair moves, it tends to move in a straight line. So once she breaks this support level here, the daily candle needs to close below that, and then we'll be short. Stock will be above the resistance. At the moment it's this candle here, but if this candle sets any resistance, then that will be it. But I can't set anything until the candle is closed below this level, and then we'll be looking at a short.